Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be comparing two internal hard drives, the reliable WD Blue and the Toshiba hard drive. Let's dive in and see which one is the best option for your needs. While the Toshiba hard drive comes in at a lower price point of $59, the WD Blue offers larger capacities, with up to 6 TB available, for a price of $109. It ultimately depends on your budget and storage needs. Both hard drives offer 1 TB of storage, but the WD Blue has larger capacities available up to 6 TB. If you need more storage space, the WD Blue may be the better choice. Both brands are known for their quality and reliability, so it's a tie in this category. The Toshiba hard drive is specifically designed to work as a replacement or upgrade for PS3 and PS4 game console hard drives, and even includes installation and firmware instructions. If you're looking for a hard drive for your game console, the Toshiba may be the better choice. The WD Blue comes with free Acronis True Image WD Edition cloning software, which can be useful for transferring data from your old hard drive to the new one. The Toshiba hard drive does not come with any additional software. That concludes our comparison between the WD Blue and Toshiba hard drive. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your specific needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching.